Good morning, children. Today also we are going to discuss about the exercise 6.3. Question number 6. In the given figure, triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACD. Show that triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC. Solution. Since the triangle ABE and triangle ACD are congruent, their corresponding parts are equal. That is, the corresponding sides are equal. So AB equal to AC and AE equal to AD by CPCT. Now in triangle ADE and triangle ABC, AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. Here AD and AE are equal, AB and AC are equal. So when equals are divided by equals, the quotients are equal. That means AD by AB is equal to AE by AC is equal to same ratio. Then angle A is equal to angle A, common angle. So in triangle ADE and triangle ABC, two sides are proportional and one included angle is equal. So triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC by SAS similarity criterion. Question number 7. In the figure, altitudes AD and CE of triangle ABC intersect each other at the point P. Show that. Question number 1. Triangle AEP similar to triangle CDP. Question number 2. Triangle ABD similar to triangle CBE. Question number 3. Triangle AEP similar to triangle ADP. Question number 4. Triangle PDC similar to triangle BEC. Solution. Given that in triangle ABC, AD perpendicular to BC. Proof. In question number 1, in triangle AEP and triangle CDP, angle E is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree. Then angle APE is equal to angle CPD. They are vertically opposite angles. So in triangle AEP and triangle CDP, two angles are equal. So triangle AEP similar to triangle CDP by AA similarity rule. Question number 2. In triangle ABD and triangle CBE, angle D is equal to angle E is equal to 90 degree. It's given. Angle B is equal to angle B, common angle. So triangle ABD similar to triangle CBE by AA similarity rule. In question number 3, in triangle AEP and triangle ADP, angle E is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree. Angle A is equal to angle A, common angle. So here also we have two angles are equal. Therefore, triangle AEP similar to triangle ADP by AA similarity rule. In question number 4, in triangle PDC and triangle BEC, angle C is equal to angle C, common angle. Angle D is equal to angle E is equal to 90 degree. So two angles are equal. So triangle PDC similar to triangle BEC by AA similarity rule. So in this question, all the four triangles are similar by AA similarity rule. In all the questions, all the pair of triangles are similar by AA similarity rule. Question number 8. E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD and BE intersects CD at F. Show that triangle ABE similar to triangle CFB. So in the given figure, ABCD is a parallelogram. Side AD is produced to E. BE intersects DC at F. To prove triangle ABE similar to triangle CFB. Proof: in triangle ABE and triangle CFB, angle A is equal to angle E. They are opposite angles of a parallelogram. In triangle ABE and triangle CFB, angle ABE is equal to angle CFB. They are alternate interior angles because AB parallel to DC. Therefore, triangle ABE similar to triangle CFB by AA similarity rule. Question number 9. In the given figure, ABC and AMP are two right triangles, right angled at B and M respectively. Prove that. Question number 1. Triangle ABC similar to triangle AMP. Question number 2. CA by PA is equal to BC by MP. Solution. Given triangle ABC and triangle AMP are two right angles triangle and the right angles at B and M. That is, in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. In triangle AMP, angle M is 90 degree. We need to prove that triangle ABC similar to triangle AMP. Proof. In triangle ABC and triangle AMP, angle A is equal to angle A, common angle. Angle B is equal to angle M is equal to 90 degree. So in triangle ABC and triangle AMP, two angles are equal. Therefore, triangle ABC similar to triangle AMP by AA similarity rule. Question number 2. In triangle ABC and triangle AMP, we have to show that AC by AP is equal to BC by MP. We know that in question number 1, we have proved that triangle ABC similar to triangle AMP. Therefore, their corresponding sides are proportional. So from the above result, we get CA by PA is equal to BC by MP. Hence proved. Question number 11. In the given figure, E is a point on side CB produced of an isosceles triangle ABC with AB equal to AC. If AD perpendicular to BC and EF perpendicular to AC, prove that triangle ABD similar to triangle ECF. Solution. Given triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB equal to AC, then AD perpendicular to BC, side BC is produced to E, EF perpendicular to AC. To prove triangle ABD similar to triangle ECF. Proof. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, it's given. So AB equal to AC. Angle B is equal to angle C. Equal sides have equal angles. Since it is an equilateral triangle, AB angle B equal to angle C. In triangle ABD and triangle ECF, angle ABD is equal to angle ECF. We proved above. Then angle ADB is equal to angle EFC. Both are equal to 90 degree. That is, angle D is equal to angle F. They are 90 degree. Since two angles are equal, triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF by AA similarity rule. Question number 13. D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. Show that CA square is equal to CB into CD. Solution: given triangle ABC, D is a point on the side BC such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. To prove CA square is equal to BC into CD. In triangle ABC and triangle ADC, angle C is equal to angle C common angle. Then angle BAC is equal to angle ADC, it's given. So two angles are equal. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DAC by AA similarity rule. Since the triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore, AC by DC is equal to BC by AC. By cross multiplication, we get AC square is equal to BC into DC, hence proved. Question number 15. A vertical pole of length 6 meter casts a shadow 4 meter long on the ground, and at the same time a tower casts a shadow 58 meter long. Find the height of the tower. In the given figure, in triangle ABC, AB is the pole of height 6 meter and it makes a shadow of length 4 meter. That is, AB is the pole, it is equal to 6 centimeter. BC is the shadow of the pole, its length is 4 meter. PMN, in triangle PMN, PM is the tower, it's not given, that we need to find, let it be H. MN is the shadow of the tower, it's given 28 meter. The length of the vertical pole is 6 meter, shadow of the pole is 4 meter, height of the tower H meter, length of the shadow of the tower is equal to 28 meter. Now in triangle ABC and triangle PMN, angle C equal to angle N. Since the altitude of the sun is same, the angle of elevations are equal. Angle B is equal to angle M is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, triangle ABC similar to triangle PMN by AA similarity rule. Since the triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. So AB by PM is equal to BC by MN. Here AB is 6 meter, BC is 4 meter, MN is 28 meter, and PM we have to find, we have taken as H. If we substitute these values in the above equation, we get 6 by H is equal to 4 by 28. Then H is equal to 6 into 28 by 4. In 28, 4 will go 7 times. Therefore, H is equal to 6 into 7, that is equal to 42 meters. Therefore, the height of the tower is 42 meters. Question number 16. If AD and PM are medians of triangles ABC and PQR respectively, where triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, prove that AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. In the given figure, in triangle ABC, AD is the median. In triangle PQR, PM is the median. Solution: given triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AD and PM are medians of the triangles. Triangle ABC and is similar to triangle PQR. To prove AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. Proof: Since the triangles ABC and PQR are similar, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. We know that when two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. Then their corresponding angles are also equal. Angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. The angles of the corresponding angles of a similar triangles are equal. Let it be equation number 1. Then D is the midpoint of BC because AD is the median of triangle ABC. Therefore, BD is equal to DC is equal to half of BC, that is 1 by 2 BC. Let it be equation number 2. Then M is the midpoint of QR because PM is the median of triangle PQR. Therefore, QM is equal to MR is equal to 1 by 2 QR. Let it be equation number 3. We know that AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. Already we obtained from the similar triangles. We know that BC can be written as 2BD and QR can be written as 2QM. So AB by PQ is equal to 2BD by 2QM. 2 and 2 we get cancelled. Then we get AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM. Then angle ABD is equal to angle PQM. They are corresponding angles of the similar triangles. So triangle ABD and triangle PQM are similar by SAS similarity rule. Since they are similar, AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. That is, the corresponding sides are proportional. When two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional.